Today is the first day I started working out after a long time. So, I feel good, but at the same time, I feel like so weak since the workout was quite intense for the first day. But I feel like if I start intense, I will be able to get used to it throughout this week. But, anyways, I finished showering and now I'm eating breakfast, which is toast with tomato and olive oil and then some cheese. But anyways, let's just eat breakfast and then I have to work on some social media posts and create a habit tracker to track everything I'm doing every single day and see what I have to improve. So yeah,